Hello and welcome to my video on my achievements. For this portion, I completed these achievements right here. I did scale and I made it so that you feel like a human when you're going around my application. The lighting, I achieved that by giving my application both real time, as you can see right here, and baked lightings, as you can see right there. After which, I gave my application the achievement of locomotion, which is teleportation, as you can see here, with the nav mesh. I then went about and gave my application physics by making it so when the user asks or answers their question, through physics, when they touch the square, it makes it destroy itself. So I'm using physics colliders for that. Then I am using empathy. So that's the last accomplishment for fundamentals. And this whole app is pretty much made to give the user a sense of empathy towards others who are in a lower class than themselves. For completeness, I gave my application gamification, in which I gave it points. So at the end of when you finish the whole experience, it will give you the number of points you have gathered, and then tell you to go visit the oracle so you could learn your fate. Then alternate storyline achievements, in which I gave classes to the user based on the answers given to the questions. The last of which was a 3D model achievement, in which I made the oracle in Blender, as you can see here. This little guy. Wait, let me just show you in the application itself. Sorry. Okay, so here's the guy right here. So he's gonna be giving you your class once you finish the application. Now the last achievement that I made for this was the user testing for the challenges, in which I gave a user test to my friend Tanya and to my dad. And let me just show you the user test, which is right here. And it pretty much, I asked my dad, like, how would you say it was to move around the app, in which he replied to me it was hard, as there was times where he could not move to the place he wanted to move. And then I asked him, how would you describe the scene? And he said that it was beautiful, Fed. I can't believe you made this. Then I asked, how easy would you say it was to listen to the questions? And then he told me it was kind of hard at times, as there were multiple questions being asked at times. Then I asked my friend Tanya, I asked her, how would you say it was to move around this app? And she said it was kind of hard, as she was not used to these type of games. And I asked her, how would you describe the scene? And she said it looked nice. I really liked the night. I then asked her, how would you say it was to listen to the questions? And she said it was easy, that it was kind of hard to find the questions. What I learned from this set of user tests was I need to make a better navigation system, and I need to make it so that multiple questions are not being asked at the same time. And the changes that I made to my app was I updated the mesh navigation that I forgot to implement in the first place. So now you have a visual of where you can and cannot go. I also took out some objects that the user can move around the collider, which will avoid the triggers to the questions, so that they won't be getting asked multiple questions at the same time. Overall, after implementing these changes to my app, I feel that it runs more smoothly and is a better experience for my users in general.